Hi, my name's Martin Alvarado. I work for Southwest Glass and Glazing, and I've been at this apprentice program for the last 12 months. I've never had a job in my past. I did 10 years of prison, and now that I'm out, I wanted to change my life, and this has very much helped me, and I'm very grateful for the job that I have now. I used to think construction was too difficult for me, my body size, I'm a small guy, so no, I never thought I'd be here in construction now at this age, but it's what I love to do now. I enjoy every minute of it. Working here at Southwest and being encouraged to show up to the program after going to class several different times, I knew this is what I wanted to do and wanted to complete. The good thing, I had a good journeyman who had patience and taught me step by step, and now I could fly through things with no problem. I enrolled in a community college in the past, and for me it was difficult because I had trouble with as far as technology, like laptop or all this stuff. So being at a community college, and the difference between a community college and this program for me is that they have more time for you individually to get you through it. It's well worth it. It's only 4 years of your life, and for 4 years, a little short period of time to be set for life and work and be able to pay a mortgage and do good for you and your family, it's a good investment. I feel like a better person just because I'm accomplishing something that I should have accomplished when I was younger, but it's never too late. And I'm a proven fact here, doing everything to get through.